this is awesome. The best 5th grade day ever.
How you feeling so far? Does it feel funny having these long things on your feet? Yeah? Alright. Red light. Ready? Green light. Red light. Yes. Red. Jump, Mr. Winkler. What do you think, Noah?
Fun.
It's super fun, right?
It's warm.
It's warm? That's why you don't have gloves or a hat on?
No, I don't.
You're crazy, man.
No, I'm not.
It's not that warm out.
Yes, it's
Eric is down on the ground again.
real.
You're doing great. All right, ready again? Green light. Whoa, all right, red light. All right, we're following it. Oh, you got it, man. Snack time. Want another or a couple? Snack time. Great. Up, Paisley. Oh, I got you.
That's right now.
Noah's on the ground again. Make your pizza, Reagan. Make your pizza. Whoa! Don't worry, I got it on camera, Noah.
Good.
Afraid of heights?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is pretty high up here. Why? What do you think of the day? Yeah? Feel like you're getting pretty good at stopping and turning? Okay. There's Bryson. Let's go! There you go. Good job. What kind of a position is this? There you go. Good job, Reagan. Yeah, he's there. Oh, yeah. What do you guys think so far?
It's awesome.
What's the best part? Doing the limbo, huh?
I was speeding down the mountain.
Alright, let's go. Hey, Deputy Matt! Woo! Silas, you're doing better, buddy. You did it, nice. Alright, what do you think, Liam?
Good.
Good? Great day?
Uh-huh.
Deputy Matt? Loving it! Yeah! Woo! 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 That's all right. Yeah, Mr. Winkler! You're doing it! There you go. What do you think?
It's pretty fun. I'm getting better at stopping, but I'm not so good at turning.
Okay. So that's what we're going to practice this time?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Good job, buddy. Really good, buddy. Keep it going. this way a little. Red light.